Place the fixture plate onto the latch hole. Follow the diagram to place the fixture plate's direction according to backset length. Use screw A to fix the plate on the existing screw holes of the door. Drill a hole for the latch sensor. Follow the diagram to choose the correct place to drill the hole. Remove the fixture plate. If the door backset is 70 mm, twist the body and pull to lengthen the bolt. Make sure that the up icon is upward facing. If the door backset is 60 mm, you can install the bolt directly. Make sure that the up icon is upward facing. Slide in the latch and carefully feed the wire through. Make sure the slot in the bolt is centered in the hole. Use screw A to fix the latch. Use a slotted screwdriver to test if the deadbolt can turn smoothly. Place the fixture plate on the door frame by the original strike plate. Make sure the direction of the fixture plate is placed according to the backset length. Use screw A to fix the fixture plate onto the existing screw holes of the strike plate. Drill a hole for the magnet on the strike box. Follow the diagram to choose the correct place to drill the hole. Remove the fixture plate. Install the strike box. Install the strike. Use screw A to fix the strike box. If the door thickness is less than 45 mm, cut the tailpiece length according to the picture. Insert the cylinder to the touchscreen, with the Kevlock logo facing upwards. Screw pins into the cylinder. Make sure the latch is fully retracted before installing the touchscreen. Additionally, make sure the painted edge on the tailpiece is facing in the same direction as the latch bolt. Turn the painted side of the tailpiece in the same direction as the latch bolt. Keep the tailpiece horizontal as it goes through the slot in the bolt. The cables will go through the hole below the bolt. Tailpiece goes through the middle hole, 2 cables go through the bottom hole. Use screw C to secure cylinder. Use screw B to secure the touchscreen, screw it into the hole on the side closest to the latch bolt. If the latch bolt is on the other side, screw into this hole. Use a key to test if the deadbolt is turning smoothly. Keep the side of the mounting plate parallel to the door edge. Secure the mounting plate using screw A. Remove the battery cover. Do not load batteries yet. Connect the cables. You should hear a click sound when they are connected. Before installation, make sure the latch is retracted. Adjust the thumb turn position, either vertical or horizontal, according to door orientation. And the tailpiece is horizontal, to be inserted into the slot of the interior. Turn the thumb turn to test rotation of the bolt. Use a key to test if the deadbolt is turning smoothly. Use screw D to fix the interior assembly. Use hex key wrench to secure hex screw E. Turn the switch to the right side. Keep the bolt retracted, and install 3 batteries. Press and hold vacation mode button, load the last battery, release the button when the melody sounds. Use the thumb turn to extend the bolt, and press the quick unlock button to test unlocking. The door handing process is now complete. The QR code label is on the battery cover inside, which covers complete product information.